Samsung just recently launched their new flagship smartphone, which is the Note 20 series. And now, let's check the AnTutu benchmark score of this new Samsung Galaxy Note 20. But before that guys, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews. This phone used two different system-on-chip. One is the Exynos 990 by Samsung for global version, and the second one is the Snapdragon 865 Plus by Qualcomm for US version. But this phone that I will test is the global version, which has Exynos 990 chipset. So now, let's jump into the video. So guys, this is the AnTutu benchmark score of this new Samsung Galaxy Note 20, which has 477,990 score. So overall, the score is high for CPU and GPU of this smartphone, but just to give you a quick comparison to the Note 20 Ultra, it has higher score, which is 524,969 score. Of course, Note 20 Ultra is the winner here. So what is your opinion guys? Just comment down below. And if you are new here in my channel, consider subscribing for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.